Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust video ratio for YouTube, TikTok and Reels in VLLO. First, open the VLLO app and from the home screen, tap on the new project. Now VLLO will open your gallery. Please make sure to select the videos or photos that you want from your project. After selecting your media, tap the arrow icon given at the bottom. Next, you will be redirected to the project setting page. Here you can first enter your project title and below that you will see the aspect ratio option. VLLO gives you several choices including 4:5, 1:1 for Instagram feed post or 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels and 16:9 for YouTube videos while 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram Reels. After selecting the ratio, move to the control mode. Here you can choose how your video fits to the screen, fit, full or center. Once everything looks good, tap create project. VLLO will now create your project based on the selected ratio and content mode and you will be taken directly to the editing screen. If you want to edit the aspect ratio, you can just tap on the gear icon given at the top. Within it, you can just select on any given ratio. After selecting that, tap done and it will successfully update the ratio, and that's it. You have successfully adjusted the video ratio in VLLO for YouTube, TikTok or Reels. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy VLLO editing tutorials.